Have you ever wanted to make your own DIY reed diffusers? Here's the 3 things you'll need to make them. Every reed diffuser needs a container, reeds, and a base. For your container, you'll want to use a narrow neck bottle. Some great options are essential oil bottle or a more decorative base like these. A narrow neck bottle slows down the rate of evaporation to allow your reed diffuser to last longer. You'll also need reeds. You can get simple reeds like these or more decorative ones like Simply Earth's Reed Bouqet. Lastly, you'll need a base liquid. This liquid is usually some sort of fragrance plus an ingredient that will help carry the liquid up the reeds. Because I like to use natural ingredients whenever possible, I use essential oils to scent my reed diffusers. You can really use any essential oil you'd like in a reed diffuser. I've shared a bunch of options in the cheat sheet links below. If you're feeling overwhelmed by options, just choose your favorite essential oil blend. Some of my favorite Simply Earth blends are Good Vibes, Homebody, Lava, Sleepy, Winter Spice, and of course, our Unicorn essential oil blend. It took me some trial and error to get to my favorite ingredient to carry the essential oils up the reeds. Water seems like an obvious answer, but water likes to go up the reeds without carrying the essential oil because essential oils and water don't mix. Water also gets moldy. I've tried witch hazel, which a lot of DIY essential oil blog sites will recommend. I learned that witch hazel only works because most witch hazels contain alcohol, and witch hazel has a musty smell. I don't want that in my reed diffusers, so why not skip the witch hazel and just use alcohol? I tried rubbing alcohol, which worked, but needed some time before that alcohol smell evaporated, which led me to my favorite ingredient to carry essential oils up the reeds: perfumer's alcohol. This is an alcohol. It solubilizes the essential oils so that they will travel up the reeds. It also functions as a preservative, so no mold. Perfumer's alcohol is also designed to not have a super strong alcohol aroma, making it the perfect base for my reed diffuser. Now we just need to combine the essential oils with the perfumer's alcohol, add it to the container, and arrange our reeds. We'll need to give the diffuser a little time to soak up the base. Then we can flip the reeds to scent our space whenever we want. The amount of essential oil we use for reed diffusers is flexible. You can basically make it however strong you want. I would start at 3% essential oils in your alcohol base and add more to get it to the strength you want. It's unlikely you'd want to go past 10% in your reed diffusers. Check out some of my favorite reed diffuser recipes in the cheat sheet below. Be sure to store your reed diffuser out of reach of kids and pets and enjoy the scent. Tell me in the comments below what essential oils you'll use to scent your DIY reed diffuser.